Monkey sat in his tiny East London flat, staring at a single banana, not even a good banana. Then Monkey remembered a book humans always talk about, Think and Grow Rich. It's all about mindset, belief, desire, persistence. And Monkey realized every millionaire lesson in that book can be explained using bananas. Today, Monkey is breaking it all down. In Think and Grow Rich, the first rule is simple: know exactly what you want. Monkey used to say, "Monkey wants money," but that's too vague. So Monkey changed it to, "Monkey wants £10,000 saved by next year." Success requires that level of clarity. Monkey learned that your brain can't tell the difference between imagination and real belief. So every morning Monkey visualized, Monkey will be rich, Monkey will succeed, Monkey will get the good bananas. Did Monkey have money? No. Did Monkey have a plan yet? Also no. But faith is the fuel that gets you moving before you know the details. In the book, belief comes before results. Just like confidence comes before Monkey ever finds the banana. Napoleon Hill said, "You don't get rich with general knowledge, you get rich with specific knowledge." Monkey realized everyone wants money, few people become experts at something valuable. So Monkey picked a niche, premium, high grade, secretly sourced bananas. Monkey became the banana guy, and when you become the go-to person for something, you become valuable. Rich people don't climb alone, they build teams. Even Monkey knew one monkey picking bananas equals slow. 3 monkeys picking bananas equals business. In Think and Grow Rich, the mastermind is a group of people whose combined brain power makes everyone stronger. Monkey surrounded himself with mentors, investors, and smarter humans. Suddenly, less struggle, more bananas. Monkey's first business failed, second one too, and the third. But Monkey remembered the book. Most people quit right before success. So Monkey kept climbing, kept reaching, kept trying. And finally, Monkey grabbed a banana. Persistence is the difference between the monkey who starves and the monkey who builds a banana empire. Monkey learned that Think and Grow Rich isn't about luck or intelligence or who your parents are. It's about a clear goal, unshakable belief. Specific skills, strong allies, relentless persistence. You don't need perfect conditions. You don't need a perfect banana. You just need the mindset. Because if Monkey can go from one sad banana in East London to building a millionaire mindset, imagine what you can do.